Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick. Welcome to my website, Stock Market Mentor. I've been doing this for about 25, 26 years. I'm glad you're here because I'm going to help you avoid the mistakes that I made. Look, when I first started this website back in 2006, my business plan was simple. It was really simple. It was to make the website, to build the website that I wish had existed when I first started trading. If Stock Market Mentor had been around, I wouldn't have made a lot of the mistakes that I did and lost all the money that I did, not once, but twice. So on my website, these are the kinds of things that you're going to get. And a lot of this is different than you get at other websites. There's a bunch of competitors, and guess what? I know them all. I know what they give. I'm giving you more and better for a better value. This is what I'm talking about. Live training every week by me. Also, you get an active trade list where I show you the stock, the entry, the stop, the exit. We talk about risk management. We talk about profit maximization. And I'm also talking to you, telling you why this stock, why this sector, why this group. I'm helping you become a better trader while trading along with me. It's kind of like learn while you earn. That's an old saying, right? Well, we're doing that here. You get an active trading forum. We've got hundreds of posts every single day by very experienced traders and also some newbies too. You know, if you haven't traded at all, if you're just looking to kind of get a foot in the door, okay, I got the doorknob for you right here. It's our community forum. Lots of great traders in there, and they're all friendly. Okay, I'm also giving you daily strategy sessions. These are video strategy sessions, not recaps of what happened today. Can't make money on that, but rather to tell you what you need to be doing tomorrow in order to capitalize on the market. I'm all about teaching you how to make money and making money right along with you. That's what we're doing here, right? Trading is a community. It can be very lonely, but it doesn't have to be. I'm giving you price alerts. Now, you can get those on any trading platform. You get a ding or a chime or something like that when a price is hit. My stuff is proprietary. You're not going to get it anywhere else. Why do I know that? Because we wrote the code and we're not sharing it, okay? It's not open source. It's Dan's source, all right? So this is what we do. If a stock hits a price that I specify, you get a little snippet of video from me telling you why you should be looking at that stock. Maybe it's to buy it, maybe it's to sell it, maybe it's just to watch it for something else. But it's like you're getting real-time commentary from the guy who's talking to you right now. Okay, that's good stuff, I'm telling you. We also have clickable tickers. Now, my strategy sessions are like 20 to 30 minutes in length. What happens if you come in and you say, you know what, I don't got 20 or 30 minutes. I just want to see what he's saying about Tesla or Microsoft or whatever. You go and click on the ticker at the bottom of the video. Boom, you're taken right there to that section of the video. And guess what? That's proprietary too. This is not open source. This is my stuff, okay? I'm also giving you trading tutorials, a lot of them. I'm teaching you advanced topics. I'm giving you advanced educational courses as a part of this deal. And you get big, huge membership discounts. And one other thing, I'm starting to teach live workshops again. The whole COVID crazy thing kind of got us a little out of the mix. But I am back to teaching live workshops, and as a member, you're going to get massive discounts on that too. So the bottom line is, I have built the website that I wish had existed when I first started trading. So I'm telling you, I want you to stick around, take a trial, see if you like what I'm doing, and my bet is you're going to be around for a long time. Okay, thanks again for coming.